Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here I can solve this problem for a unique method. So the very first thing we are going to do is here first you can focus on the left hand side, and here you see that we have n cubed plus 1, and we can write this 1 as 1 cubed, and we will apply here the cubic formula, which is the well known formula. And you know that if we have a cubed plus b cubed, it is equals to a plus b times of a square minus ab plus b square. So now we can apply here this nice formula on the left hand side of this problem, and the given question statement will be written in the form of n plus 1 times of n square minus n plus 1 square, and this whole equation is equals to 3 to the power of n. And now in the next step I can just simplify these terms, and here I can take just n plus 1 is equals to 3 to the power of x, and I can take n square minus n plus 1 is equals to 3 to the power of y, and here I can name this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Now I can made these two substitutions in this equation, so this equation will becomes in the form of uh, here when you can put n plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power of x, so this will becomes 3 to the power of x, and here you put n square minus n plus 1 by 3 to the power of y, so it will becomes 3 to the power of y is equal to 3 to the power of n. And when we simplify this one, and here you see that the bases on both of the terms are same, so that we can add the exponents of these terms by using the nice exponential law. And you know that this law, if we have a to the power of m times a to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of m plus n. So we can apply here this nice law in the left hand side of this question, so that this equation will becomes in the form of 3 to the power of x plus y is equals to 3 to the power of n. And now you can compare both of the sides, and you see that the bases on both of the sides are same, so its exponents are equal by according to this law. If we have a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n, so this implies that m is equals to n, so that we can use this law, and by this law we can equate both of the sides, and we get x plus y is equals to n, and we can name this as equation number 3. And now here I can simplify the equation number 2 here, so here I can write from equation number 2, so this is the equation number 2, and we can write it as n square minus n plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power of y. And now we can simplify this equation, so here I can write n square, and we write this minus n as plus 2n minus 3n, and after that I can just add or subtract here minus 3 and plus 3, so I can make these two changings in the above equation. So after this step we will write or simplify this term, and here you get n square plus 2n, and we combine this plus 1 here, and we can take common minus 3 from these two terms, and you get minus 3 times of n plus 1, and here you get plus 3 is equal to 3 to the power of y. And now in the next step you can see here this will becomes the whole square of n plus 1, and minus 3 times of n plus 1 plus 3 is equals to 3 to the power of y. And now here you see that we have equation number 1 and 2. So in equation number 1 you have n plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power of x. So we can use this equation here. So here I can just use equation number 1. So according to this equation number 1, I can put n plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power of x. So it will becomes 3 to the power of x square minus 3 times of 3 to the power of x plus 3 is equals to 3 to the power of y. And now you can focus in the first term, and here we can use the nice exponential law. So according to this law we will multiply these two exponents, and you can write this as 3 to the power of 2x minus, here you can see that bases on both of the terms are same, so that its exponents are added, and you can get here 3 to the power of 1 plus x plus 3 is equals to 3 to the power of y. And now we can rearrange the term, and now we can take the term minus 3 into 3 to the power 1 plus x on the right hand side, so that we can rewrite this equation as 3 to the power of 2x plus 3 is equals to 3 to the power of y plus 3 to the power of 1 plus x. We move this term in the right hand side, and now in the next step we can just make some possible cases. So here you have some cases. So the first case is we have two possibilities. The one is 3 to the power of 2x is equal to 3 to the power y, or 3 is equal to 3 to the power 1 plus x. So we have two possibilities, and I can write these two possibilities separate. So here first we see that this 3 to the power of 2x is equals to 3 to the power of y. This means that this term is equal to this, and 3 is equals to this. This is the first possibility. 3 is equal to 3 to the power of 1 plus x. And the second possibility is we take 3 to the power of 2x is equal to 3 to the power of 1 plus x, or we take this 3 is equal to 3 to the power of y. So here we have these two possibilities. So now we can solve these two possibilities separately, and we can easily get the values of x and y. So if you can see on this case, here you see that bases on both of the sides are same, so that its exponents are equal, and here you get 2x is equal to y. And similarly, if you can focus on this one, and here you see that bases are same, so exponents are equal, and this 1 is equal to 1 plus x, and here you easily see that we get the value of x is equals to 0. So when you can put this value of x equal to 0 here, then you will get y is equal to 0. And similarly we can solve this case, and here you see that bases are same, so its exponents are equal, and you get 2x is equal to 1 plus x, and similarly here you get 1 is equals to y. And here we move this x in the left hand side, and you get 2x minus x is equal to 1, and you finally get here the value of x is equal to 1. So now we can find the values of x and y from both of the possibilities. And now we move the equation number 3. So here you see that equation number 3 is equal to x plus y is equal to n, and now we can back substitute this equation. So here I can just write from equation number 3. Equation number 3 will be written as x plus y is equal to n. And now I can find the values of n on both of the cases. So when you can put x 0, y 0, then you will easily get n is equal to 0. And similarly, when you can put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, then you will get here n is equal to 1 plus 1 and n is equal to 2. So finally we say that n is equal to 0 and 2 be the final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.